Join us as we uncover the transformative power of AI and explore the endless possibilities it offers. Welcome to Data Talent Advisor's AI Use Cases series.
Hello there, Rasul here with Data Talent Advisors with another video as part of our AI Use Cases series. If you as a candidate are interviewing with a particular company in a particular industry, you can kind of know some of the AI use cases, the low-hanging fruit that you'll be kind of involved in, whether it's data science, data engineering, you're a prompt engineer, AI engineer. You can get a better idea of what to expect, the kind of impact you're going to make on some of the use cases that are very important to that particular client in that industry. So today we're going to look at manufacturing. Manufacturing is an industry that, just like any other, could actually leverage data, and in particular today, AI, to be able to get themselves to the next level. I have 10 different use cases within the manufacturing sector that I would like to touch on. So without further ado, let's get into it. Predictive maintenance is the first thing that is going to be a good use case for manufacturing. AI algorithms can easily analyze sensor data, where we find sensors really everywhere, and IoT devices, if you will, that can predict when maintenance is needed before a breakdown actually occurs. This obviously will help you with unplanned downtime. It extends the overall lifespan of your products or your equipment, if you will, and it just lowers your overall maintenance costs. 2, quality control and inspection. AI-powered computer vision systems can inspect products on the production line for defects, ensuring that only high-quality products are shipped to customers. This reduces waste or reworking, and it also helps with warranty claims while actually improving the overall product quality. Supply chain optimization. Number 3, AI enables manufacturers to optimize their supply chains by predicting demand, optimizing the inventory controls, identifying potential disruptions or areas where maybe the supply chain may be throttled. This improves the efficiency for the supply chain and will reduce your overall costs. It will also ensure timely delivery of materials and components. Number 4, process optimization. AI algorithms can actually analyze production data to identify opportunities for the process optimization, such as reducing cycle times, minimizing energy consumption, and improving overall yield rates. This will increase the productivity and reduce the actual waste that you'll have. So it's really optimizing what you're doing. Inventory management is number 5. AI-powered systems can analyze historical sales data, market trends, and other factors to optimize inventory levels, reduce stockouts, and excess inventory. This improves overall customer service, while it also minimizes the inventory carry costs, which can be very problematic for companies, bottom line. So point number 6, robotics and automation. AI-enabled robots, automation systems can perform repetitive tasks such as assembly, pickup and place operations, and material handling with precision and efficiency. This increases productivity, reduces labor costs, and improves workplace safety. I mean, this is something that I think we're all very familiar with, that companies like Amazon are doing as it pertains to the way that they fulfill orders that are coming in the warehouses and such. But that's just a really good example in manufacturing. The same kind of thing can be applied. And that's why I say there's a common thread with some of these things across multiple industries. And as you watch the different videos, you'll see that there are recurring themes. Demand forecasting. Number 7, AI algorithms can analyze sales data, market trends, and other relevant factors to focus future demand for products more accurately. This will enable the manufacturers to optimize production planning, inventory management, and overall be able to forecast much better. Number 8, product design and development. AI can assist in product design and development by generating design alternatives, optimizing product performance, simulating manufacturing processes. This will accelerate the time for innovation, reduce the time to market, and yield revenue streams much faster. Number 9, energy management. AI algorithms can optimize energy usage in manufacturing facilities by analyzing energy consumption, identify inefficiencies, and recommend energy-saving tactics, strategies. This will reduce the energy costs, and it'll make a big environmental impact by having AI assist you with energy management. Last but not least, is remote monitoring and control. AI-enabled systems can monitor and control manufacturing processes, remotely allowing manufacturers to oversee operations in real time and make adjustments as you see fit. This improves operational efficiency and enables remote troubleshooting for the manufacturer. So those are really 10, again, low-hanging fruit use cases. Some of them are being utilized already within manufacturing. Others are kind of getting started in that area, but also some other industries that you'll find as we go through this series are taking these similar approaches to utilizing AI to help them create greater efficiencies and make an impact on the bottom line. I hope this video has been helpful to kind of cover some of the AI use cases, so we go above and beyond the code and some of the technical language that you'll see on the job description. And these are some of the real world impacts that you will be able to make as a data scientist, data engineer, AI engineer, prompt engineer, data architect. I mean, there'll be a variety of different folks that are in the tech sector that can make these real world impacts. So like all of our other videos, I hope you found this video informative. I wanted to thank you for your time. Be sure to please like this video, share it with your colleagues. If you have questions, you can find us at www.datatalentadvisors.com. And thank you again for your time. I'm over and out of here. Bye-bye.